Eco-friendly natural bamboo Deodoizer, 20-pack by Hathaway is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Color, floral. Size, 3/8 by 3/4 inch. Weight, 10 grams each pouch, 200 grams in total. Quantity, 20. Packaging, vacuum-independent packaging. Material, natural bamboo charcoal particles, diameter 2-3 mm. Purposes, deodorize odor, air purification. Application, mainly used for deodorizing odor of the diapers, suitable for diaper genies such as Decker, Munchkin, Genie and so on. Usage, remove the outer vacuum packages, simply place a filter underneath your diaper pail's lid, using tape or diaper pail filter holder, underneath the diaper pail lining, in shoe closets, or any corner in your home. Others, put the used pouches in the Sunday January 2nd times a month, 1-2 hours each time, to maintain the effectiveness of the bamboo charcoal. Natural Deodorizer. 10 grams each pouch, 20 pouches, 200 grams in total. A better performance. It's easy to put them in every corner of your house, suitable for diaper genies such as Decker, Munchkin, Genie, and shoes, cabinets, drawers, wardrobes, bookcases and so on. The natural air freshener do good to eliminate odor in your rooms. Advanced filter. The manufacturer adopt the mountain bamboos for more than 5 years as raw materials, then through the high-temperature carbonization. Natural active bamboo charcoal particles, carbonaceous fine, diameter between 2 and 3 mm, uniform particles. Compared to other larger or smaller carbon particles, the manufacturer's bamboo charcoal particles is with super absorbent performance, which can eliminate odor to the maximum. Fully vacuum packaging. Each pouch is individually vacuum packed. Compared to other similar products on the market, the manufacturer's bamboo charcoal packages do not lose any freshness from production to your hands. It will activate and starts work only when you open the packages. Fully vacuum packaging. Each pouch is individually vacuum packed. Compared to other similar products on the market, the manufacturer's bamboo charcoal packages do not lose any freshness from production to your hands. It will activate and starts work only when you open the packages. Service guarantee. The manufacturer wholeheartedly provides you the best products, in the service with a 90-day refund guarantee. Super cost, high quality! Exclamation mark.